Mango, what's your opinion about the Raycon earbuds? You like it? Yes. Good job, buddy. Yes. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing Raycon Everyday Earbuds. So please sit tight and enjoy! Raycon were kind enough to send these products my way, and I'm honestly looking forward to testing them out myself. First impression, the product looks amazing, the box is amazing, the color is everything. And they also sent me the protective case for the earbuds to obviously protect them, and I'm so excited for this. So let's go ahead and open them. So right out of the box we got these folder kind of thing, and it comes with this QR code thingy where you can join for the club to get some discounts and stuff like that. And then you got the manual and some papers, easy enough. And then this is the Raycon itself, such a beautiful color, love that. And then underneath this we got some more stuff to open. I think it's really nice that they included this in the box, so you basically can just find the perfect fit for you right away so that your earbuds won't fall out of your ear. Next we got the cable, which is a USB-C, but I'm honestly not going to be using this at all because I'm going to be taking full advantage of the wireless charging of my Raycons, which is so amazing. I love a good wireless charging. And they also included a sticker for you, which is really nice. And now for the main event, which is the Raycon itself. Look at that beautiful color. You can also find lots of amazing colors on their website. This is just the one that I picked because how could you say no to this? Again, first impression, it speaks for itself. It's beautiful, the color is everything, like I said. I love that it doesn't just fall out of your hand, even though it has like that nice finish. And honestly, you can even just rock them like this without a case, but obviously we're not gonna do that. But look at this, it looks so good. I also love that it's magnetic. It literally just goes back in without even you worrying if it's properly in there. So that's a good plus. It just snaps. It's so good. One more time. Yeah. Good. And this is me trying it for the first time. I've always hated earbuds, if I'm being honest, because I have all these piercings and they tend to be a bit uncomfortable for me. But when I tried them on, they were so perfect. They fit right in there, and it didn't even bother me at all. They were just that comfortable, and it wasn't falling off or anything like that, like how other earbuds are. And it just looks so slick. I love it. The sound quality is also top tier. I have no complaints about it whatsoever, and the fact that they have 3 sound profiles, which are balanced sound, bass sound, and pure sound, which is pretty cool in my opinion, because if you want your music to be heavy on the bass, you could do that on a top of a finger. And this is the case that they sent me, which is the Dreamy Clouds. I think I picked this so perfectly with my Raycons because they complement each other. It's so beautiful. The case feels good and amazing. It's not slippery, which is always a good thing, and if you feel like it is, they gave you a strap so it doesn't fall off of your hand, so always a plus. It's beautiful. I love it. And you can also choose other colors that are available on their website. If you have a different vibe than me, you have options, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is just perfect. Just to recap, this is Raycon Everyday Earbuds, which is actually their upgraded model, and it now features active noise cancellation and awareness mode, which is very helpful when you're out and about in the city and you just turn that on so you're still aware with what's going on around you, especially if you're crossing the road and stuff like that. It's amazing. I've tried it on. We went out to town yesterday, and it's such a massive feature that I really love. On top of that, it has multi-point connectivity, and you can now pair these with 2 devices at once, which is amazing because there's nothing I hate more than forgetting an earbud thing on your phone just so you could connect it to a different device. But this time you can save that time by just having them connected to 2 devices, which is amazing. And I actually tried it on with my phone and my husband's phone, and it works seamlessly. I love saving time. And if you love saving time like I do, you would love Raycon even more because it has 32-hour battery life, which is a lifetime when you're listening to your podcast or to your audiobooks or to your music. And if you forget to charge them, no worries. You could just pop them on for 10 minutes and you will get 90 minutes battery back, which is wow. That's all I can say. Wow. So if you've been thinking about checking out Raycon, there is no better time than now. Go to buyraycon.com/Gwenny to get 15% off on these bad boys or any of their products on their website. I mean, come on, that's a steal. You can't say no to that. And the fact that these earbuds are such budget friendly than the others out there, it's absolutely worth it. So please check out my description for the link for easier access. Thank you. Your opinion about the Raycon earbuds?